guys, this is a KOS garage door. I'm going to show you guys how to remove the garage door opener. This Craftsman half horsepower is not working anymore. First thing, I would like to you guys to unplug the power. Make sure there's no power on it. And then loose the screw at the back here for the wire. And move the wire up there. Alright. One wrap to the wrap number 1 on the left side, the red wire. And 3 wire together is in the center, is the neutral. And 2 together here is the black wire on the right screw on the right side here. But I'm going to take out this machine out. And the next step, loosening the arm. Loosening the arm. And then loosening this piece. This up. Okay, the next step, I'm going to loose the pin right over there. Right up here. This pin, come to the other side. Right here. See? And just put, and now it's loosing. But it's not dropping because it's still hold at the back there. And the next step, you better have 2 layers, the short layer in front here and the tall layer at the back here. And now I'm going to loose with the power tool. If you're not sure what you're doing, you better use manual, use wrench. Put on the ladder like this. Hold it about here. And I recommend to cut the wire because this machine is not good. All right, thank you.